Welcome to this episode of Hardscape Hustle. It's one of those houses we just keep coming back to every year and breaking projects in different phases, building these backyard dreams. So let's talk about the project we had going on here. Before, they had a sidewalk coming off their driveway down the side of their house to their backyard Oasis. It was a stampcrete sidewalk. It wasn't that old, but stampcrete doesn't really stand the test of time, and it heaved and it was cracked and it was buckling and it was pitching towards the house, inviting water to the foundation. So we pulled that out of here and we did what we do best, Hardscape Hustle. Let's take a look. So the main objective of this whole project from the very beginning was some kind of low maintenance staircase to get from the upper deck down to below the deck. So what we did is we incorporated these Rosetta dimensional stairs. They're solid pieces and we just put these in. They're really stretched out, about 16 inches deep, so that it's going to be bigger than your foot and it's really comfortable going up and coming down. Like I said before, the old stampcrete sidewalk was pitching towards the house. It was kind of buckled and heaved and in different elevations, but there were no steps. It was one giant ramp down to where we are now from the driveway. What we were able to do is we were able to reduce the pitch by adding 3 steps to this sidewalk that are also stretched out and really long and comfortable to go up and go down. So that's a wrap on this project. The landscaping is in, everything is clean, and has that finished look. It's time to celebrate and invite some friends over.